Nag-start ako mag-freelance ng January 2025 and March 2025 ako nagpa-register. Need ko ba isama yung income ko from January 2025 to March 2025 or March 2025 lang ang ipa-file ko? Diyan po sa case mo, sa BIR Certificate of Registration, as if new freelancer ka pa lang po ng March 2025. So, pwedeng from March 2025 lang po ang i-file mo sa first quarter income tax return mo. Pero pwede mo rin pong isama from January 1, 2025 until March 31, 2025 sa first quarter income tax return mo. Meron kang dalawang option. Start of filing April 1 at ang deadline ng first quarter income tax return year 2025 ay May 15, 2025.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.